There are so many benefits to families with the use of self. We want our families to feel understood, connected. Use of self can be powerful to connect families when used correctly. It can facilitate change, promote trust, and a therapeutic relationship. When our families are calling or seeking help, they are feeling lost, hopeless, misunderstood, and sometimes judged. Knowing that they are speaking to someone from the adoption constellation can put them at ease. The use of self can help our families feel validated, understood. They feel that you get it. They don't feel alone. They feel less shame. They feel a sense of trust. They feel connected. And, and they're also saying, I'm not afraid of not sharing because you have lived it too.